Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that the right cargo e-bike could literally replace your family car for daily errands, school runs, and weekend adventures? That's right. These electric powerhouses are transforming family transport. In today's video, we're counting down the top best cargo e-bikes for families you can buy right now on Amazon. Whether you're hauling kids, groceries, or just chasing some weekend fun, there's a perfect match here for you. All the links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. So, let's get rolling. On number 6, two-seater electric bike, 48 volts, 20 ampere hours, 1,300 watts peak motor. Here's a real head turner. The two-seater electric bike, a beast built for couples, families, or anyone who needs serious power on two wheels. With a 1,300 watt peak motor and a massive 48 volt 20 amp hour battery, this bike means business, hitting speeds over 30 miles per hour and a jaw-dropping 80 plus miles range. Those 20 by 4.0 inch fat tires chew through sand, snow, and gravel like it's nothing, while the long saddle design makes it perfect for carrying passengers or gear. Compared to most single-seat bikes like the Rad Runner, this two-seater doubles the fun and the utility without doubling the cost. Sure, it's heavier than average, but that's the trade-off for unmatched torque and stability. Families who need a rugged, reliable hauler that won't quit will love it. In fact, this one's ideal if you want serious range, speed, and power on a budget. It's not the fanciest on the list, but it's definitely one of the strongest performers. What do you think? Would you ride this two-seater powerhouse or stick with a solo ride? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, TST electric bike for adults, 1,500 watts, peak motor, 48 volts, 15 amp hour battery. Next up is the TST electric bike, a true workhorse that blends raw power with everyday practicality. Boasting a 1,500 watt peak motor, this one delivers aggressive acceleration and smooth hill climbing, even when fully loaded. The step-through frame, rear rack, and front basket make it perfect for family errands or grocery runs. You'll get around 30 to 60 miles of range, depending on how you ride, and that's where it differs from the number 6 bike. Less endurance, but slightly more torque. If you compare it to the Lectric Expedition, the TST packs more punch off the line, but falls a bit short on range. Still, the value is insane for what it offers. High speed, great cargo capacity, and a friendly price. It's an ideal pick for families living in hilly areas or anyone who values raw motor power over long-range efficiency. Would you trade a little distance for that instant power surge? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, Luckeep C23, two-seater folding e-bike, 750 watt peak motor, NFC unlock. Now here's one that mixes innovation with convenience, the Luckeep C23. This folding, step-through two-seater cargo e-bike is a dream for small families or city dwellers short on space. With a 750 watt motor peaking at 1,200 watts and a 48 volt 15 amp hour battery, it cruises comfortably up to 28 miles per hour and offers around 65 miles of range. The best part? It folds down compactly and even features NFC smart unlocking, no keys needed, compared to bigger, heavier haulers. Like the two-seater at number 6, this one's lighter, more portable, and way easier to store. Sure, it can't handle as much weight, 265 pounds limit, but it's unbeatable for quick commutes, child transport, or urban errands. It's the perfect example of smart design meeting daily practicality. If you're living in an apartment and want a two-seater that's easy to fold, charge, and ride, the C23 is tough to beat. So, which side are you on? Power and bulk, or convenience and tech? Let me know. On number 3, Mukkpet Stepwagon, 1,500 watts, peak motor, 48 volts, 30 amp hours, dual battery. Now we're talking serious family transport. The Mukkpet Stepwagon is a true long-range cargo monster, designed for parents who need to carry it all. Kids, groceries, you name it. Its 1,500 watts peak motor and gigantic 48 volts, 30 amp hour battery deliver up to 120 miles on a single charge. Yes, you heard that right. That's more than double the range of most competitors. Add a 440-pound payload capacity, hydraulic suspension, and powerful disc brakes, and this becomes one of the most capable family e-bikes around. Compared to the Radwagon 5, the Stepwagon wins hands down on battery size, torque, and affordability, though it's a bit heavier and not as sleek. But if you want an e-bike that replaces your car for daily errands, this is it. Imagine picking up the kids, running to the store, and still having juice left for a joyride. It's that good. Would you go for this ultra-range powerhouse or something lighter and more compact? Comment below. On number 2, ESKUTE e-Trike electric bike, peak 1,200 watt motor, folding three-wheeler. At number 2, we've got something totally different. The ESKUTE e-Trike, a folding three-wheel cargo bike built for ultimate stability and comfort. Featuring a 1,200 watt peak motor and a 48 volt 10.4 amp hour battery, it's not the fastest, but it's one of the most practical, offering up to 55 miles of range. This trike's low step-through design, dual suspension, and padded backrest make it perfect for seniors or families who value stability over speed. It's also foldable. Yes, a foldable trike, so you can store it more easily than traditional three-wheelers. Compared to the Rad Trike, the ESKUTE offers more peak power and smoother suspension. Though its battery is smaller, it's ideal for relaxed rides, grocery runs, or family park trips. If balance and comfort are your top priorities, this one's hard to beat. Would you choose the security of 3 wheels or the agility of 2? Tell me below. On number 1, electric tricycle for adults, 1,350 watts, peak motor, 48 volts, 13 amp hour battery. And finally, taking the top spot, the electric tricycle for adults, a folding three-wheeler with massive 1,350 watts peak power and hydraulic, brakes on all 3 wheels. This thing is a tank on wheels, combining 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires, a rear differential, and hydraulic stopping power for unbeatable control on any surface. It reaches 20 miles per hour with ease and goes up to 50 miles on a charge. Compared to the ESKUTE e-Trike, this one's more muscular, offering superior torque and braking performance. However, it's heavier and can feel a bit tippy until you get used to it. Still, for adults who want rock-solid traction, powerful hill climbing, and a design that can haul serious cargo, this trike is a standout. It's not just a bike, it's your daily mobility machine. Would you trust this 3-wheeled powerhouse for your family rides? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So guys, That wraps up the best cargo e-bikes for families you can find on Amazon right now. Each one has something special, whether it's long range, high power, or extra comfort. The perfect choice depends on your lifestyle. All the links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.